In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Windows cannot be installed to disk 0. Windows installed problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are getting any error during the Windows installation process when it is time to select the disk or the drive where you want to install the operating system, then follow the instructions in this video and you will be able to get it done. Keep in mind that for this video, I'm going to assume that you want to completely wipe out one disk or all of them. So in this video, I'm not going to cover how to do a method that saves your data. For this particular method, you will need to wipe or format the data on the disk where you are going to be installing Windows. Keep that in mind. So back up your data prior to this moment if needed. So to fix any sort of error during the installation, first press Shift plus F10. So during the installation process, when you press Shift plus F10, this will actually open a command prompt window, so a CMD, and this will open during the installation process. When you have this open, the very first thing that you have to do is type disk part, like this. This refers to disk partition, so you will be able to manage all of the disks that are installed on your PC. After you type disk part, type list space disk. This will give you a list of all of the drives that are currently installed on your PC. So let's say, for example, you have disk 0, which is where you want to install Windows. You have disk 1, which is an additional drive where you keep your games, 2, which is an additional one, and so on. Once you see the list, usually most people will simply format disk 0, which is the one that refers to Windows. If you want to, you can select another one, so for example, disk 1, disk 2, and so on, and you use the command clean to properly format it. So again, you type disk partition to manage the disks, list disk to see all of the disks, and then you select the specific disk that you are going to be formatting, which for most people is going to be disk 0. So select disk 0. Then you type out clean, enter, format the disk, and then you can exit the CMD. Alternatively, if you type list disk and you see a list of them like this, you can also just type clean all, and this will format every single disk, so you don't even have to do the select option. Just choose one of these two, either clean all or select a specific one. After this is done, you should close down the installation prompt and redo it until you reach this step. This time, when you select the disk and you choose next, you will not see any errors and you will be allowed to proceed. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Windows cannot be installed to disk 0 Windows installed problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.